Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Have you heard about it? Maybe you've seen it in the news or heard a friend talk about it. Don't worry if it sounds confusing. We're going to break it down together in simple steps.
By the end of today's lesson, you'll know what Bitcoin is, how it works, and how it's different from regular money. We'll also talk about how people use it, the risks, and why some people like it. Let's start with a few important words. Bitcoin is money that only exists online. Blockchain is a list where every Bitcoin trade is saved. Cryptocurrency means money that uses secret codes to stay safe. A wallet is where you keep your Bitcoin, kind of like a bank app. Decentralized means no one is in charge, not the bank, not the government. Mining is when computers help make and check Bitcoin trades. Imagine this. You want to send money to someone in another country. With Bitcoin, you don't need a bank. You just send it right from your phone or computer. That's one reason why people like it. Bitcoin was made in 2009 by a person, or maybe a group, called Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who that really is. It came out after the banking crisis in 2008. The idea was to give people more control over their own money. Also, only 21 million Bitcoins can ever exist. No more. When someone sends Bitcoin, the trade is written on the blockchain. There's no bank checking it. Instead, computers all over the world check the trade. They use cryptography to make sure it's real. This is what people mean when they say Bitcoin is peer-to-peer or person-to-person. Think of blockchain like a giant notebook that everyone can see, but no one can change. Every page shows a bunch of trades. Once a trade is written down, it stays there forever. That helps keep Bitcoin honest. You can buy Bitcoin with real money from an online crypto exchange. Then you keep it in a wallet app or on a special USB drive. Some stores online let you pay with Bitcoin. Some people also send money to family in other countries using it. Bitcoin isn't perfect. Its price goes up and down fast, so you can lose money. Hackers can steal it if you're not careful. If you forget your password, you can't get it back. Also, the laws are different in each country, so it's not always clear what's allowed. Some people use Bitcoin to protect their money from inflation when prices go up. Others like the privacy. Some just think it's a good way to invest and maybe make money later. It's also easy to send money across borders without paying big fees. Let's play a quick game. Myth or fact? Bitcoin is anonymous. That's a myth. It's not tied to your name, but people can still track your wallet. There will be unlimited Bitcoin. Myth again. Only 21 million will ever be made. Anyone can see Bitcoin trades. That's a fact. All trades are public on the blockchain.
Thanks again for watch. For more information about crypto, personal finance, and more money idea, subscribe to our channel.